everybody! Guess what? It's phonics time again! Today we're going to learn a new sound and some new words. Are you guys ready? Z makes the sound Z. Very good! Z. Can you say it with me? Z. Can you think of any words that have the letter Z in them or the sound Z? Let's take a close look. Pay attention. Zebra, fizzy, buzz, zip. Remember these words because you're going to see them in the video. Oh, I see a zebra. Very good. Can you say zebra? And what sound does a bee make? Buzz. Very good. Buzz. And when you're sleeping, what sound do you make? That's right. And when you're really thirsty and you want a fizzy drink, what sound does it make? Fizzy. Very good. Can you say it with me? Fizzy. Oh, and what is that? It's a zip. Very good. Say it with me. Zip. Fantastic, children. Z. From now on, when you see the letter Z, you know what sound it makes. Great job, everybody. Keep up the great work and see you soon. So, window. Very good. Window. That's right. Is the W sound at the start or in the end? W. Very good, children. Now you know the sound of the letter W. Great job!